What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we're going to be tackling Boxycharm's base box, the $25 box. And yeah, if that's something you guys are interested in seeing, you stay right there and don't you move. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, loves. So as I said in the intro, today we're tackling March's Boxycharm's base box. Before we go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Some of the videos, guys, will have the shout outs in it. Others will have you guys in the comments or in the description because I'm shooting a lot of videos so that I can upload and have them scheduled and ready to go. Speaking of scheduling, just really quick, guys, make sure you go to my community tab and vote on the time and date that you would like to see my uploads. I'm going from 3 times a week to 2 times a week, but I'm probably still going to be giving you guys an occasional third video for the week. I don't know yet, but I'll keep you guys posted on Instagram as well as the community tab on YouTube. So let's stop all the talking and let's just get like the specs of this box and unbox it. So this is the $25 a month box, guys. This is their base box. You get 5 full-size products in this box each month with a value of around $175, I think. I think it's either $120 or $175. I'm going to put it down here for you guys. I always forget, like always. You do get to customize 1 product in this box. I did miss the choice date. I don't know why. I just haven't really been keeping up with social media too much. So, yes. So I don't know what's in this box. I haven't opened it. So we're about to do that right now. If you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, I have a link down below that you can click on and go on and subscribe. So, yes, let's get this box on and popping. Boo. Hey, let's take a dance break and a drink break. All right, my loves, as I said, I don't know what's in this baby. I didn't pick, and I'm so nervous because I don't even know what, like, the choices were. When we open her up, ooh, okay, we get that right there. Red box always symbolizes the base box. We do get a card. The theme for the month is Boxycharm Lucky. Ooh, okay. I guess in honor of St. Patrick's Day. And we do get some prices and variations on the back. I'm going to read this to you guys, put the prices down below. Y'all know the drill. I'll give you my variation number towards the end of the video. So let's see what we got. All right, first up out of the box is from Cab Cosmetics, and this is the Kim Zolciak and her daughter's line. This is a lip oil right here, guys, and I have the shade Rum Punch. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of this Cab Cosmetics. I had one in Glossy Box this month, so if you haven't checked that video out, please make sure that you do. But I do love a good old lip oil, and this is what it looks like outside of the package. This thing is humongous. How much you get in here? Girl, this is big. Doesn't say, but let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, it does smell like something, maybe pina colada. I don't know, but that's the applicator, a humongous applicator. Put a little bit on. Okay, feels nice. Y'all, I love a lip oil. I could just throw that on at night to get these little dry, crusty lips together. And let's see what this retails for. This one right here is $20. And it claims to be non-sticky instant burst of hydration. And it comes in 6 different tints. Okay. So our next product is from Lavish. And this is the wet brush cleaning system with a silicone pad. That's what it looks like. And we're going to pull it out this little wrapper and see. Let's see what this is about. Okay, I have a little cleansing pad there and the little soap part here to clean your brushes. Okay, now I will be honest with you guys. I'm excited for this because I definitely need something to clean my brushes with, because the Dawn detergent is just not working like girl. So I'm excited for this. And let me see what this retails for. This is the wet brush cleaning system from Lavish, and it retails for $15. Okay, cool. I do like this. Our next product, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm looking in my box and I'm getting very irritated. I'm telling you, like, I could see a rant coming soon, boo. I'm telling you. So we have from Mavin Beauty this rose water setting spray. It's a makeup fixing spray. That's what we're looking like. And we get 100 milliliters of product in here. I haven't heard of Mavin Beauty before. I don't think. Maybe I got this in Glossy Box. I don't remember. That's what the bottle looks like right here, my loves. And let's see what that little spritzer do. Oh, not a bad spritzer. It doesn't have really a strong scent. Let me read up about this really quick. So this is the Mavin Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions in your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. You're going to mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Wow. This is a new launch in Boxycharm, and this, my loves, retails for $22. Okay, I'm not mad at getting a setting spray. I always love a setting spray. I just hope that this doesn't make me look like too shiny, but okay. Next up, we have from Glow Recipe, and this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream here. This is a calming and hydrating cream. You get 50 milliliters of product. It has turmeric in it, magnesium, and some other words I cannot pronounce. Let me get my little box cutter so we could cut this little baby open. Now, y'all do know I love Glow Recipe. I love their products. I really do. Let's see. Ooh, the bottle is so adorable. That's what we're looking like. I really, really, really love this bottle. And when we open it, it has a little safety seal. Oh, it smells like bananas. I love that. Look at that, guys. It looks kind of like pus too, huh? Ooh, like a big abscess. But it does smell really nice. Let me test a little bit on my skin, because I do like a hydrating cream. Even though I am combination oily, I do like a hydration cream. So that's what we're looking like. Okay, cool. Let's see what this baby retails for. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream here. It's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging the pores. It makes it especially good for sensitive skin, blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric. It's a recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. This baby right here retails for $39. And I do love Glow Recipe, so, you know, I'm happy to see it. And our final product is from 111 Skin, and this is the Centennial Black Diamond Contour Gel right here. Okay, in here you get 15 milliliters of product. Let's open it up and see. Oh, it's a nice little black package right there. Oh, okay. So it has this little tip right here that gives a cooling effect when you put it on your skin. So this is something I would definitely keep in my fridge just to kind of help go underneath my eyes. But let me make sure that's what it's for, boo. Let's see. So this is the 111 Skin Centennial Black Diamond Contour Gel. And it's a peptide-packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep set lines and wrinkles due to loss of elasticity around your eyes and your lips. Okay, yeah, we don't like a wrinkle mouth, girl. Now, y'all know 111 Skin is like ridiculously priced. Girl, this thing right here retails for $140. So after one application, I should see results, right? I mean, I'm kind of serious. After one application, I should see results, really. $140, Boxycharm, and 111. Y'all got to get it together, boo. Look at that. Okay, so that's the cream. I mean, it feels nice, but oh, it has a nice scent, too. Nice, clean, subtle scent. I do like that. But $140, this right here, I know I would never repurchase. No. All right, before I get into my rant, we're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts and rant, and then we'll be done. So we received from 111 Skincare this Centennial Black Diamond Contour Gel. From Lavish, this brush cleaner. From Mavin, the Rose Water Setting Spray. From Glow Recipe, the Banana Souffle Moisturizer. And from Cobb Cosmetics, this lip oil. So these 5 products right here, my loves, I will put the grand total somewhere on the screen. And my variation is the letter C, number 2103001-BA. Okay, so final thoughts. Now, no, I did not pick my choice item. I actually forgot. Well, I didn't even know what the choice date was this month. So I don't really know which one of these is choice. If I had to guess, I would probably say either the 111 product or the Glow Recipe product was choice products. So yeah. Final thoughts on this box is, and y'all should already know, I am not feeling it. Now, I know there's probably some good skincare in here, like the 111. Everybody loves that. The Glow Recipe. I am excited for the brush cleaner and the lip oil, but the setting spray is cool. Baby, where is the makeup? 5 products and not a makeup product. I don't consider a lip oil to be a makeup product. I think it's like a nighttime skincare product for your lips. Where is my makeup? Can you tell me? Like, I am just getting so sick of Boxycharm. They just throwing these boxes together and we're just supposed to be like happy with it. I mean, if you are a true Boxy fan, I know you love everything Boxycharm sends to you, and that's great. But I'm gonna tell you, boo, I need makeup. Tonyanicole wants makeup, and the box is okay. Listen to me. If I was definitely a skincare junkie where I was like, oh my God, I don't care about makeup, I would be very pleased with this box actually. But I'm a girl that likes both makeup, more makeup, and skincare. So to get not one skincare product, like, wait, what is going on? Like, I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments. You know, I know that I have like some true Boxycharmaholics that would be like, oh girl, this is a great box. That's all. Yes, it's great. I know. Oh girl, I'm sweating. It's great. I know. But Tonyanicole likes makeup. So that's just my own personal preference. You know, guys, I'm just not feeling the whole box full of skincare. Like, ooh, I don't know. I am going to try all of the products. I am going to use all the products. I do think that it's a pretty decent box for a skincare lover. But for me, I need at least 2 makeup products. At least 2. So, yeah, I just wasn't feeling this box. I'm not even going to rate it because my rating would be so like biased because I just want makeup and I'm going to give it a low score. I just want to know your thoughts. Like, what you got in your box? Is y'all box full of makeup, skincare, or what? But that's all that I have, guys, for this video. Make sure if you haven't done so already, you have subscribed to your girl's YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. Everything is linked down below. Boxycharm's link is down below. Please let me know your thoughts on this box, guys. And that's all I have, y'all. I'm going to drink, and I don't know. Y'all, I'll talk to y'all in the comments and on my next video. Bye, loves.